Meaning of flashlight.
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 Flashlight. A flashlight is a portable, handheld device that produces a beam of light for illuminating a dark space or area. Flashlights typically consist of a light source, such as an LED bulb or incandescent bulb, and a battery compartment. The light is activated by pressing a switch or button on the device. Flashlights are commonly used for outdoor activities, emergency situations, and in settings where there is little or no natural light. They are also useful for everyday tasks such as finding lost items or navigating through a dark room.